So hey guys, what's up? Once again welcome in this video, and this is Masum here as always. So in this video now I'm gonna give you an example regarding this. So I hope you have already got that according to the thumbnail on this video, that what is consistency and what is extraordinary. Okay, what I mean that. But wait. So before that, let me introduce myself. This is Masum here, and this is my YouTube channel. Hope you have already subscribed my channel and like on my videos, comment my videos, and share my videos to any social medias to help me. Okay. So have you seen the candle and the sparkle on the thumbnail? That's your English practice. Okay, that's your spoken English practice skill. Keep it burning, even it's so small. Daily. Okay. Don't try to be a superstar just in a one day. Disappear for a week. Instead, speak a little every single day, like that candle in the image. Being consistent is like a candle. It burns slowly but never stops. Now I'm giving you one more example in this meanwhile. So do you know why I'm giving this example? For example, just take a plant. Okay, just take a plant. Just imagine that a seed of a plant will never grow in a single day like a big tree. Okay, it will take time. So similarly, if you do practice daily just for a few minutes, then your spoken English level will get at the stage of at high stage. Okay, you can use your daily routine, what you have done in a whole day, throughout the day. You can practice it at evening time. So what you have done in a whole day, you can make a daily routine on that topic also. Okay, hope you are getting me properly. Just only 10 minutes every day is more powerful than only 1 hour in a week. Okay, consistency builds fluency. One step every day takes you further than one big jump once in a while. Ordinary moments feel good, but it is the regular effort that bring results. Your goal is not to impress once, it's to express every day. So try to be like that candle, not like that sparkle. Okay, so I hope you have already got me. You have already subscribed my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and so on. Okay, to help me. Okay, to help me grow. Meet you soon on my next video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.